Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm sharing one of my favorite side dishes. This is something that I was playing around with one day, and it has become one of our absolute favorites. And if you want to see how I made this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. I'll be honest with you, I have no idea what to call this except my favorite side dish. It's one of those recipes that I made while I was just playing around, and it's become one of our absolute favorites. What you need is 32 ounces of chicken broth, and you're going to bring that to a boil, and you're going to add 2 cups of rice. Once you add the rice, and add that slowly because it will boil over if you're not careful. You bring it back to a boil, you put it on a very, very low simmer, cover it, and let it cook for 20 minutes. While that's cooking, you want to cook up some California blend. California blend is broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. And you're also going to need a jar of chicken flavored gravy. And we'll be back after the California blend and the rice are done. Okay, the rice is all cooked. Now, I'm not going to use all of this because my son and I actually like just the chicken flavored rice too. I made a whole lot of the California mix. I probably won't be using all of that because I like to eat that for a late night snack too. And the gravy is all heated. So all I'm going to do is basically combine everything. I'll start with the rice in a large bowl, and then I'll mix in the California mix and then the gravy. Okay, I've got the California mix mixed in with the rice. And I only used about half of the rice and about half of the California mix. But like I said, I like to eat that California mix as a snack, so I always make too much. As you can see on the bottom, it still doesn't have any gravy, so I'm going to add the rest of the jar. Okay, it's all mixed up. As soon as this cools down just a little bit, I'm going to be tasting it. I'm hungry, and it is one of my absolute favorites. Okay, it's cooled down enough to eat, I think. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is definitely one of my absolute favorites. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.